What's up everybody? It's your boy Larry with Sony, here to talk to you about another amazing product. Now I'm sure by now you've picked up the Sony Z9F soundbar, but if you're anything like me, you also got you a set of the Z9R wireless rear speakers. And if that's the case, hang out with me a little bit while I show you how to get it all connected together. Now of course, if you picked up the Z9F with the Z9Rs, your setup process was simple and automatic. But just in case, I want to walk you through what the manual process looks like to be able to link your wireless rear speakers to the soundbar. Now using the Z9F remote, press the home button. This will bring up the on-screen menu. Once that's up, select Setup. After that, you want to locate Advanced Settings. Once you choose that, you'll see the wireless speaker setting option. You want to select that. This will bring you to the screen that will allow you to begin the manual linking process. Once you choose that option, it'll bring up a screen that will give you instructions on how to prepare your Z9Rs to be linked to the Z9F soundbar. Now you want to go to your Z9R speakers. You'll notice on the back there's a button that says Link. You want to press that button. After you've pressed that button on both your left and right speaker, go back to your remote for the Z9F and select the option so that it can begin the linking process. After a few moments, you'll get a green connected notification that pops up to let you know that your subwoofer and both rear speakers have been successfully paired to the soundbar. So once you confirm a successful connection, select Finish to complete the process. Now if by chance you have any problems during this process, just repeat the steps. And it's easy as that. Now that you've combined your Z9F with your Z9Rs, you've taken your home audio experience to a whole nother level. Should you have any other questions about our products, please feel free to visit us at Sony.com. And as always, it's your boy Larry with Sony, and I'll catch you next time.